This is a non-sponsored review of the lifewit laundry pod containers. You can technically use these throughout the kitchen, bath, or laundry room, or even maybe under the sink to organize makeup and things like that. But they do look really good. They're really easy to assemble. The knobs do not come attached to the lids, but those are really easy to put together. Some of the labels are already labeled, and then you have the option to write on others. So far, I'm really liking how they are working out and organizing my laundry room. They will come individually wrapped in plastic. To assemble the knobs, it's really easy. You just grab a screw, place the screw through one side, and then just screw the knob on. It's really easy. It took less than, 3 or 4 minutes for me to get all of the knobs attached. You will receive 12 labels as well as 3 scoopers, which have the graduated markings on them. I thought that was a nice addition. The only thing so far that I don't like, and I think other people have mentioned it in the comments, is that the lids don't really seal. They just kind of sit on top. And it's not a huge issue because I'm not moving these containers around a lot. And I've been using them for, I would say, about 2 to 3 weeks now, and it hasn't been a problem.